TripleChip here, down the hatch too. Got us another Blizzard from Dairy Queen, $5.99. This is the Oreo Blizzard. We're just gonna have chunks of Oreo in there. I think they're quite small. It's all pouring over the side. There's an extreme close-up of it. Wish you could taste that, eh? That vanilla soft serve they use is awesome. I think this one's been on the menu for quite a few years. It's like one of their classics. Here you can see bigger chunks of it right there. There's a big chunk. Kind of a big chunk. Dripping all over the place, but classic Oreo. Go get yourself one. Makes for some good happy eating. And when you're happy eating, the world's a little bit better place to live. So whether it's day or night, watch these vlogs, please. Tell your friends and family. This is hopefully on my way to 1,000 subs this year. I've probably gained a good 50, 60 in the last couple months, so thanks y'all, showing all my love for you. Gonna have some prizes come 1,000 subs, so the quicker I can get there, the quicker you can get some prizes. Get yourself one. That's it for this one. Catch you next one, because this one's over.